In a significant victory for royal privacy, Prince William, the Prince of Wales, has won a legal case against the French magazine Paris Match for publishing unauthorized photographs of him and his family during a private holiday. The ruling, delivered by a French court, reinforces Europe's stringent privacy protections and marks another chapter in the ongoing battle between the British royal family and the tabloid press. The dispute centers on photographs published by Paris Match earlier this year showing Prince William, the Princess of Wales, and their children on a secluded family holiday in a private resort. The images, reportedly taken without consent using long lenses, captured intimate family moments, including the royal couple and their children engaging in casual leisure activities. The British royal household quickly condemned the publication, calling it a blatant intrusion into the private life of the prince and his family. Prince William's legal team argued that the photographs were taken and published in violation of his right to privacy under French and European law. They emphasized that, while members of the royal family often appear in public roles, they are entitled to a private life free from harassment and unauthorized surveillance. The Paris court agreed, ruling that Paris Match had violated William's personal privacy and dignity. The court ordered the magazine to pay damages and legal costs, and to remove the images from all digital and print platforms. This victory is seen as a continuation of the royal family's firm stance against media intrusion, particularly since the tragic death of Princess Diana in 1997, a tragedy that was partly blamed on aggressive paparazzi pursuit. Since then, both Prince William and Prince Harry have been vocal advocates for stricter media boundaries. William, in particular, has consistently sought to protect his children, Prince George, Princess Charlotte, and Prince Louis, from unnecessary exposure. The Paris Match decision also sends a broader message to European media outlets about the limits of press freedom when it infringes on personal privacy. While the magazine defended the publication as being in the public interest due to William's status as a future king, the court disagreed, emphasizing that royal duties do not extend to private family vacations. The court noted that public figures are not public property, and have a fundamental right to private enjoyment of family life, especially in circumstances where they are not performing official duties. In recent years, the European judiciary has strengthened protections against media overreach, often invoking Article 8 of the European Convention on Human Rights, which guarantees respect for private and family life. Legal experts suggest that this case could become a precedent for similar disputes involving celebrities, politicians, and public figures seeking to limit paparazzi intrusion. The ruling also reflects a growing shift in how privacy is valued in the digital age, where images can circulate globally within minutes. For the royal family, maintaining that line between public responsibility and personal space has become increasingly difficult. However, this win highlights the willingness of courts to support individuals, even those in public life, when their privacy is clearly violated. A spokesperson for Kensington Palace welcomed the judgment, saying, "The Prince of Wales is grateful for the court's recognition of his family's right to a private life." He hopes this decision will serve as a reminder that even public figures deserve respect and boundaries. As Paris Match considers its options for appeal, media analysts predict the case will reignite debates about the balance between press freedom and privacy rights. For Prince William, though, the outcome stands as a clear assertion that his family's personal moments are off-limits, a principle he has long defended with quiet determination. In a world increasingly dominated by social media and relentless public scrutiny, this case symbolizes a rare triumph for personal dignity over sensationalism. It underscores the notion that fame does not erase humanity, and even a future king has the right to be just a husband and father when the cameras are supposed to be off.